Today, we are starting a very interesting and unique experiment. In this experiment, we will observe the life of black ants and try to understand their behavior up close. We want to find out whether these ants can survive in an artificial habitat, build a home, and possibly lay eggs. For this experiment, I built a special ant enclosure. The enclosure is approximately 10 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 6 inches high. Inside the enclosure, I added sand to create a natural environment. I also placed a few artificial plants to make the habitat look more realistic and comfortable. For food, I added a few small bone pieces with traces of meat, and I also created a small water source for the ants. Inside this enclosure, I placed 2 large black-winged ants. These ants have noticeably larger abdomens than ordinary worker ants, which makes me think that they could be female ants or possibly queen ants. However, I cannot confirm this yet, and that is exactly what makes this experiment so exciting. But first, let's learn a little about ants. Ants are among the most organized and hardworking creatures on Earth. They live in colonies where every ant has a specific role. Some ants search for food, others take care of eggs and larvae, while some defend the colony from threats. If a queen ant is present in a colony, she is responsible for laying eggs. Ant eggs are extremely small and white in color. Under suitable conditions, these eggs can develop into larvae and eventually become adult ants. Temperature, humidity, and food availability all play important roles in their development. Ants usually prefer environments that provide adequate moisture, a stable temperature, and easy access to food. That is why I tried to create a habitat that resembles their natural surroundings as closely as possible. Now, this experiment has reached its 7th day. Over the past 7 days, both ants have remained alive and appear to be healthy. They have been exploring different areas of the enclosure, moving through the sand, and examining their surroundings. So far, I have not observed any eggs, but that is not surprising because if these are queen ants, they may need time to adapt to their new environment before laying eggs. The biggest question now is, can these ants survive in this enclosure for a long period of time? Will they lay eggs? Can a new colony eventually be established here? These are the questions we hope to answer in the coming days. I will continue monitoring their behavior daily. We will also observe how much food they consume, how they react to their environment, and whether they choose a specific location as their nesting area. If eggs appear in the future, that will be one of the most exciting stages of this experiment. In that case, we will document every step of their development, from eggs to larvae and eventually to adult ants. For now, this is a live experiment, and we are waiting to see what happens next. If the results are positive, I will continue sharing every update with you so that you can follow this fascinating journey together with me. So, what do you think? Will these ants survive in this artificial habitat? Will they lay eggs and start a new colony? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. In the next update, we will take another look at the ants and see whether there has been any progress in their behavior or development. Until then, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.